with me to get groceries because it's gonna snow on Friday. I'm at Kroger. We normally grocery shop on Friday for 4 times the fuel points, but we're going today. We have already gotten word that like the Kroger has been emptied out because of the other snowstorm and like where they get their supplies and their shipments. So if it's too empty here and I can't find everything that I need, I'm gonna go to Publix. Let's go. This is not a good sign. To go to the other end to get a card. This is a nightmare. The chance of snow is like really bringing out the worst in people. People are just plowing over other people in the aisles, and there's just like no manners at all. Everyone's freaked out. It's not gonna be that bad. Essential. That is a must if it's gonna snow. I'm just saying. And I mostly drink wine and I have that at home, so. You do not know what you're missing if you've never been in the South and experienced the grocery store shopping before a snowstorm is coming. So I'm just saying, it's insane, but we got our groceries and it's time to go home. Come on, snow!